Hello everyone, I Dr. Rajiv Singh welcome you all again to my channel Alok Gyan Sagar. Through this video, I am here to present an update on the recently advertised jobs and vacancies in various public and private organizations. The source of all information in this video is the Times Ascent newspaper dated 22nd September 2021. So please stay hooked on till the end of this video. There are vacancies for the positions of Advisor Finance and Accounts and Assistant Professors in Indian Institute of Management IIM Amritsar, Punjab. The deadline for sending the online applications is 14th October 2021. For more details, you can refer the institution website www.iimamritsar.ac.in. There is a recruitment notice from the Xavier Institute of Social Service, Ranchi, Jharkhand for the position of Assistant Professor in HRM, Assistant Professor in Marketing and Management, Accountant, Library Assistant and Course Clerk. The deadline for online application is 9 October 2021. More details can be obtained from the website www.xiss.ac.in/vacancies. The Center for Brain Research, CBR, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, invites applications for Deputy Director and Faculty. The last date for applying is 31st October 2021. The details can be obtained from the website cbr.iisc.ac.in. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Green Hills, Dehradun is hiring young and bright executives in engineering and geosciences discipline at E1 level through GATE 2020. The details are available on the website www.ongcindia.com. The Presidency University, Bangalore invites applications for several academic and administrative positions. The key positions are Dean in School of Law, Dean in School of Science, Associate Dean Academics, Associate Dean Research, Director Student Affairs, Controller of Examinations, Professors, Associate Professors and Assistant Professors in School of Computer Science and Engineering, Basic Sciences, School of Law, School of Design and School of Media Studies. The details can be obtained from the website www.presidencyuniversity.in. Allen Career Institute is organizing a mega recruitment for faculty and staff for different positions in various subjects. There are nearly over 2,000 vacancies announced by the organization. The various positions are experienced faculty with minimum experience of 5 years and age not exceeding 35 years, trainee faculty with experience up to 2 years, and functional staff. The last date for application is 3rd October 2021 and the details can be referred from the website allen.ac.in. Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, Pune, invites applications from suitable candidates for single post of principal for Yashwant Rao Mohite College. For detailed information about posts, qualifications and other terms and conditions, you can visit the university website bvpbharatividyapeeth.edu. Vignans, Valamundi, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh invites applications for various teaching and non-teaching positions. For teaching positions, vacancies include for the post of Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professors in various disciplines of Science, Technology and Humanities. The non-teaching vacancies are for the positions of Front Office Manager, Data Entry Operators and Lab Technicians. The last date for application is 27th September 2021 and the email contact is recruitment@vignan.ac.in. Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited invites applications from qualified and experienced candidates for the post of JGM Architect and Assistant Manager Multi-Modal Integration. The last date for online application is 21st October 2021. You can visit the career section of the website www.gujaratmetrorail.com for further details. National Institute of Technology, Calicut, Kerala invites applications for the post of registrar on deputation basis. The last date for online application is 20th October 2021 till 5:30 p.m. and the details can be obtained from the organization website www.nit.ac.in. Quantum University Uttarakhand, India offers career opportunities for the position of head of the departments, professors, assistant professors for the disciplines of technology, management, agriculture studies, media studies, and design and health sciences, hospitality and tourism, law and graduate studies. The online applications can be sent at the website www.quantumuniversity.edu. Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Bhubaneswar, Odisha invites applications for the post of Vice Chancellor. The CV of the applicants can be emailed to vc.selection@kiit.ac.in and the details can be obtained from the website www.kiit.ac.in. Indian Oil invites applications for several positions of experienced non-executive professionals and the posts are Junior Engineering Assistant, Junior Technical Assistant, Junior Quality Control Analyst. The details are available on the website www.iocl.com and the last date for online application is 18th October 2021. Oil India Limited, a Navratna PSU, invites online applications from Indian nationals for the following positions: Superintending Engineer Drilling, Superintending Medical Officer Radiology, Superintending Engineer Environment, Superintending Medical Officer Orthopedic Surgeon, and Confidential Secretary. The last date of online application is 10th October 2021 and the details can be obtained from the website www.oil-india.com. There are many more vacancies that could not be included in this video due to time limitations. You can refer Times Ascent dated 22nd September 2021 for more details. Thank you all for watching this video and I request you all again to stay hooked with the channel by subscribing and liking it, and please do not forget to share the channel link within your contacts.